tempted by.
So much, I love the color.
They could suit you very well.
It serves me right for not getting a proper service.
So Pons is off to get his new back tyre because his is a bit dead, and he's got a puncture. So he's going back the way we came for a little solo ride.
With the dark visor.
You could have a dark visor, otherwise you're not one of the lads.
What's up, Jonathan?
What are you doing, bitch?
I'm not doing very well, actually.
There is a trade-off. At what time we want to leave in the morning and things that we can do during the day. Yeah? So if we leave at 9:30 in the morning, we cannot do everything.
Are you ready, Leo?
No.
You ready now?
No, you have to wait for me.
Okay.
Cheers!
Alright, cheers!
Good to see you guys.
Where is Leo?
We buried him up there.
No, Leo is climbing the mountain with his bike. Look over there.
I see Leo. Leo doesn't like any of us.
Why is that?
Because he is the writing person, not the photo person.
そうですね。
そうです。
ああ、彼は R1 に乗った女の子を追いかけてました。ベリー。
Austrian tradition to put this on your head there.
Alright, I knew it.
That's beautiful.
Sounds good.
Your motion video isn't slow.
Ok, quindi non c'è... ha bisogno dei nomi o sa già?
Thank you, Jameson. Now, give it some beat.
Alright ladies, all's well that ends well.
Yeah, actually good.
Thanks a lot Leo, you're a
Thanks
star.
for coming.
Jameson, navigating pro.
Cheers.
Mental Lewis as always, gotta love it.
Is Yoshi, see you in Japan, I hope sometime.
Yes.
Yes,
Johnny?
Leo, thank you for the organising. How'd you do?
Fantastic job. Nice pal.
Stupid.
That's what I thought.